Reset, restart, refocus. The Stoic way to rebuild your life. There comes a moment in every life when the weight of failure presses against our chest. A moment when regret whispers, "You should have done more." When fear asks, "What if you never make it?" When exhaustion tempts you to surrender. But listen carefully. This moment is not the end. It is a beginning. The Stoics understood this well. Life will break us. The past will haunt us. The future will remain uncertain. But we are not here to be controlled by circumstances. We are here to master them. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Today, we do not dwell on failure. We do not remain lost in regret. Today, we reset, we restart, we refocus. Here are 10 Stoic principles to rebuild your life, stronger than before. 1. Reset your mind. Let go of what no longer serves you. You are not your past. You are not your failures. And you are not the mistakes you once made. Seneca reminds us, we suffer more in imagination than in reality. Most of what holds us back is not the past itself, but our refusal to let go of it. Release the weight. It is no longer yours to carry. 2. Restart with what you can control. A storm does not ask permission before it arrives. Life will not always be fair, but the Stoics knew one truth. Control what you can, ignore what you cannot. Epictetus said, "We cannot choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how we respond to them." You cannot change the past. You cannot predict the future. But right now, in this moment, you have power. Use it wisely. 3. Refocus on your inner fortress. The world will try to break you. People will disappoint you. Dreams will fail. But there is a place within you that no force can touch. Your mind. Strength does not come from avoiding hardship. Strength comes from enduring it. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it." Train your mind to remain unmoved, and no storm can destroy you. 4. Accept discomfort as the path to growth. Comfort is a slow death, a quiet trap that keeps us weak. The Stoics knew that growth is born from struggle. Seneca advised, "Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body. The easy road leads nowhere. Embrace discomfort. It is not your enemy. It is your greatest teacher." 5th, stop seeking approval from the world. Many spend their lives chasing validation, only to find it empty. The Stoics understood this truth. The opinions of others are nothing. Epictetus said, "If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. Do not live for applause, do not wait for permission. Live by your values and let the world think what it wants." 6. Build unshakable daily discipline. Motivation fades, inspiration dies. But discipline? Discipline is eternal. Every great warrior, thinker, and emperor followed one law: show up daily. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Do not wait for the right moment. Take action now." 7. See every setback as a new beginning. Failure is not the end. It is the fire that forges the strong. The Stoics did not see setbacks as defeats. They saw them as training. As Epictetus said, "The greater the difficulty, the more glory in surmounting it." If life has knocked you down, good. Now rise again, stronger, wiser, unshaken. 8. Detach from what you cannot keep: money, fame, relationships, health, even life itself. Everything will be taken from us in the end. The Stoics embraced this truth not with fear, but with freedom. Seneca wrote, "He who fears death will never do anything worth of a living man." Cling to nothing. 9. Train yourself to see the good in every hardship. Pain is unavoidable. Suffering is optional. A true Stoic does not ask, "Why is this happening to me?" They ask, How can this serve me? Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Your struggles are not obstacles. They are your training ground. Every hardship is fuel, if you choose to use it." 10. Take action. Now, not tomorrow. The greatest tragedy is wasted time. We wait. We hesitate. We tell ourselves we'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow is never guaranteed. Seneca warned, "While we wait for life, life passes. You want to change? Then move." Now there is no perfect moment, no second chance at this life. Reset, restart, refocus, and step forward without fear, without regret. Final words, the path. Forward life will break you. That is inevitable. But what is not inevitable is your response. You can surrender to the past, or you can reset. You can remain trapped in failure, or you can restart. You can let distractions weaken you, or you can refocus. The world does not owe you success.